Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix and edit mobile view on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So, how do we actually fix this issue or this problem that we're encountering right now on Shopify? Well, the first thing you need to do here is you need to go to admin.shopify.com, log into your account, and access your store. Now, typically what we need to do is we need to go to Themes here. Let's go ahead and click on Customize. And from here, at the top right of your screen, you have these different buttons here. You have the desktop version, you have the mobile view, as well as the full screen here. But in this case, what does this do, or how does this actually help us? Well, in this case, when you actually click on mobile view, this will actually change the mobile view of your website, and you'll be able to basically view the mobile version of the website, having an idea what it's going to look like. But in some cases, some will not work properly, like meaning for example, this doesn't work, or this is too big. How do I change this? Well, with how Shopify right now, because right now Shopify is more on the basic side on customizing your website, so it sometimes it might not be that optimized for certain functions or certain designs. Now, typically when you change something, like for example, I want to switch over to mobile here, and I want to close to my custom liquid here that I added. So in this case, I want to basically hide it. But once I hide it, when I go back into desktop, that would also reflect that I've hidden that specific element. Meaning any change that I make on the desktop version, it will also be reflected on the mobile, or vice versa. When I've done changes on my mobile, it will also affect my desktop version. So what is the alternative that we could do here to probably fix this issue? Well, in this case, it is recommended that you use the section for custom CSS. For example, if you just want to, like for example, make things a lot smaller or change the background for a certain element. Like for example, I have this custom liquid here. So the liquid itself, we have this one. So maybe I want to choose the featured collection here, just to give you an idea. So in this case, I want to go to my custom CSS here, and I want to add this one. So this code will actually detect if something or if a specific element actually changes on a significant area or significant width. Now, meaning it's going to indicate, it's going to call media here, and it's going to actually determine on a specific width this following code or this section here will be executed or will be read. Meaning the background will change to yellow. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to change the background color here to maybe I want to make it black. So this is just an example of making the background here black. But in this case, when I actually apply this, let's just click on it and the space here. Let's go ahead and switch over to the mobile view. As you can see, it's now yellow since we indicated it to be yellow. Now you can change this to desktop mode again. It's going to be black, but when I remove this one, the black section here, that would actually affect the original one. And whenever I change it to mobile, that would actually execute that specific section here. Now, in this case, you might be not familiar with how to use CSS here. So currently, if you really want to edit your mobile view here, this is the only way that we could do this, because right now with how Shopify is set up, it's kind of restricted. But if you're aiming for a specific design, it is recommended that you switch over to a different theme if that's you're aiming for. But for as a fix or working out, you could actually use custom CSS here and make sure that you indicate the max width here as 1000 pixels. So whenever it switches over to mobile view or in tablet, it will affect or it will actually execute that section, and you'll be able to see your changes. But yeah, so right now that's the only thing that we could do right now, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.